Cicada killers may look menacing, but they're actually one of the more mild-mannered wasp species. These wasps hunt down cicadas and typically ignore humans, granted they remain undisturbed. Cicada killers are mostly seen as beneficial, but their presence can cause discomfort for many people, and an overactive population can result in many visible holes in one's lawn. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and treat cicada killers on your property so you won't have to worry about them spoiling your outdoor space. To shop for the products featured in this video and learn even more about cicada killers, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Cicada killers are large wasps, and are often confused for the European Hornet due to their size. However, cicada killers are slightly larger than the European Hornet and have distinct visual differences. Cicada killers can grow to be about 1.5 to 2 inches in length. While the European Hornet has bright orange, yellow, and brown body markings, cicada killers feature black and yellow more prominently. Cicada killers also have large compound eyes, orange-tinted wings, and females will have stingers. The name cicada killer comes from the species' tendency to hunt cicadas and feed them to their young. But unlike most wasps, adult cicada killers actually feed on plant nectar and not other insects or organic matter. Cicada killers are solitary ground digger wasps, meaning they don't nest in groups, but rather they nest individually in underground burrows. Burrows are typically established in drier, softer soil. If the burrow frequently reaches high levels of moisture or is otherwise compromised, the cicada killer will abandon the burrow to settle somewhere else. A burrow entrance will look like a 1 to 1.5 inch diameter hole that's surrounded with a mound of dirt. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hot spots of activity. To confirm cicada killer activity on your property, inspect your lawn for any burrows. Adult cicada killers are active during summer when cicadas are active. Cicada killers prefer patchy lawns with dry soil. You can also look underneath shrubbery or in garden beds. Remember, burrow entrances will look like small holes surrounded by dirt. It's important to note the location of every burrow you find, since you'll need to treat the nest directly to get rid of your cicada killer problem. After identifying your pests and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets away from the treated areas until dry. When dealing with stinging pests like wasps, always use caution and keep yourself protected. Even though cicada killers are pretty docile, it is still best that you cover up as much exposed skin as possible with a professional bee suit to prevent stings. To treat cicada killers on your property, use a cypermethrin product like Sylo Insecticide. Sylo Insecticide is a powerful insecticide concentrate that will need to be mixed with water before application. Sylo is extremely effective against wasps and many insect pests found around your home or yard and will remain effective for up to 90 days. To get rid of cicada killer wasps with Sylo, you'll need to treat the nest with a 0.25% emulsion. To do this, mix 1.3 fluid ounces of Sylo with 1 gallon of water. We recommend you use a hand pump sprayer since you'll be making targeted treatments to any burrows and their entrances. To mix Sylo, first fill your sprayer halfway with water. Then add your measured amount of Sylo insecticide into the sprayer. Add the remaining water up to the 1 gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even emulsion. To treat cicada killer burrows, use a pin stream setting on your sprayer and apply with a low pressure. Spray a small area around the burrow's entrance, then apply your emulsion directly into the burrow. You'll want to thoroughly treat the nest since cicada killer burrows get up to 5 feet long and as deep as 15 inches underneath the ground surface. You want to ensure the solution makes contact with any adult or newly hatched wasp within the burrow. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied your pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen again. Cicada killers prefer to dig in exposed patches of soil. To discourage cicada killers from establishing their burrows in your lawn, you'll want to conduct proper lawn maintenance to make sure your grass grows thick and make it tougher for the wasp to dig through. Water your lawn deeply once a week with 1 to 1.5 inches of water and mow your grass to a tall height, about 3 to 4 inches. This will not only ensure an improved look for your lawn, but will also strengthen your grass's roots and make it more difficult for any pest to dig through. You can also discourage cicada killers from digging in garden beds by adding a thick layer of mulch. Cicada killers may pose a problem for many homeowners and avid gardeners, but there are ways to control infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop cicada killers from infesting your lawn. We offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.